Hello, good evening, everybody. I am Gurshan Singh speaking from Faridabad. I just want to tell you one thing. I was just suffering from some kind of ailment which I was not aware of what kind of ailment is this, but when I got it examined, at that time I came to know that it's a osteoporosis, and I tried so many medicines from allopathic, homeopathic, as well another so many treatments available in the market, in the medical world, but it's of none use. Then all of a sudden I came into contact with Dr. Sonia from Atria Clinic Center. She was treating the patients with Ayurvedic process, but initially I was not able to have trust on such kind of medicines, but she assured me to give me best treatment regarding this, and I started to take medicine from Dr. Sonia from Atria Clinic. And in initial stage I was not in position to have confidence on this treatment, but slowly I came to know, I felt that it's working somewhere, and as on date I am confident to say that I am feeling much better as compared to earlier stage. And I was suffering from this ailment since 2019, and sometimes I thought that it's untreatable in this Indian society, but now I have a confidence on Ma'am Sonia that she will treat me in a better way, and this treatment will go for a long time. It's a permanent treatment, I hope so. So she's treating me in a very good manner, and I hope I will get well very soon. And now as on date I just took this medicine for a month only, and I felt that I am 20% well, better as compared to 1 month before. So I am very thankful to Ma'am Sonia, and I am also thankful to this Ayurvedic medicine which I am taking as on date. So it's all, I just want to say you all, and have a faith on Ma'am Sonia as well as on Ayurvedic treatment also. So I hope it will cure me in a better way for a longer life. Thank you so much. Thank you very much.